Welcome everyone. Today we will explore the order of operations, also known as BODMAS. We will solve two mathematical expressions step by step and see how different operations impact the final result. BODMAS stands for brackets, order, exponent, division and multiplication from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. These rules ensure that everyone follows the same step when solving mathematical expressions. Let's apply BODMAS rule to solve 5 multiplied by 5 divided by 5 plus 5 step by step. According to BODMAS, we solve multiplication and division from left to right. First we multiply 5 with 5 which equals 25. Updates to 25 divided by 5 plus 5. Next we divide 25 with 5 which equals 5. Now our equation simplifies to 5 plus 5. Finally, we add 5 plus 5 which equals 10. So the final answer for this expression is 10. Now let's solve the other expression, that is 5 divided by 5 multiplied by 5 plus 5. We will follow the same left to right rule for multiplication and division. We start with 5 divided by 5 which equals 1. So our equation becomes 1 multiplied by 5 plus 5. Next we multiply 1 with 5 which equals 5. Now the equation simplifies to 5 plus 5. Final answer for this expression is also 10. Even though these expressions look different, following the BODMAS rule gives us the same final answer 10 in both cases. This shows why the correct order of operation is crucial. Thanks for watching.